Does the water from your water softener smell like garbage? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that in 6 easy steps. Hi, I'm Gary the Water Guy. I simplify water filtration to help you make some great decisions about water for your family. So that smell, that garbage smell that comes from your water softener, that's because the media inside your tank has fouled. It needs to be sanitized and it needs to be disinfected. So the first thing you need to do is you need to use a media cleaner on that. And so you can use a product like ResCare, or you can use Rust Out if you're on well water. And I'll put a link in the the description down below that takes you to a video of mine that shows you how to use those products. So that's the first step. You put that in, then you regenerate the water softener. So immediately thereafter, what you're going to do next is you're going to make sure that it's at least half full of salt. Then you're going to take 3 to 5 gallons of hot tap water. I mean straight from the tap, not boiling, but hot water as hot as you can get it. And you're going to pour 3 to 5 gallons inside here over top of the salt. Now you just have to be careful. Different water softeners have different sizes of brine tanks, and you want to make sure that it doesn't overflow, but that you have at least 3 to 5 gallons of that super hot water in there. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take 2 ounces, which is about 60 milliliters or a quarter of a cup of bleach, ordinary everyday household bleach, and you're going to pour that inside the brine well. So the brine well is inside the brine tank. Obviously this would be attached inside, but this is what it looks like. It has a cap on the top. You pull off the cap. You can see the float inside here. Again, this would be connected with tubing when a water softener is actually being used, but you remove the cap and you pour the 2 ounces of bleach down here. Now, the amount of bleach that you use will depend on the size of the water softener. So this is a 30,000 grain water softener, so you'd use 2 ounces. If you have a 45,000 grain water softener, you'd use 3 ounces. 60,000 grain water softener, you'd use 4 ounces, etc. You just scale it up based on the size of water softener that you have. And then what you're going to do is you're going to regenerate it again to have it go through that cycle. Once it finishes that regeneration, guess what? You're going to regenerate it again. And that makes sure it really does a good job of cleaning up those media beads. If the smell doesn't go away, you may have to do the whole process over again just to make sure you get rid of it. 90% of the time this will work and it'll clean up the resin beads and disinfect it, and the smell will be gone for a good long period of time. If it doesn't, the remaining 10%, you'll actually have to replace the media beads or replace the whole water softener. You just can't get it disinfected well enough to get rid of that smell. So how often should you do this? Well, if you're away for a month or longer period of time like that, or if you have a cottage that you close down and then you come back several months later, again, if you're gone for more than a month, I would definitely do that procedure then. If you suspect bacterial contamination inside the water softener, again, that would be a good time to do it. If your water stinks, like what we're talking about here today, like I say, that awful garbage smell, that's when you need to do that. If your water changes color, if suddenly you're getting some brown water, etc., coming from the water softener, it's a good time to go through this disinfection procedure. If the water tastes awful, again, great time to do that. If you replace the resin, it's a good time to sanitize it or disinfect it to make sure that the smell doesn't show up. And if all those things aren't happening in your world, then what I do recommend is after 5 years, every water softener should be disinfected, just to make sure that you keep it at bay so that it doesn't get so bad that you get that awful garbage smell. If you'd like some more information, you can go to our water softener playlist here. Lots of great information there about water softeners, how they work, how to maintain them, etc. And I'll see you there.